Hi everybody, wanted to unbox for you today PUMA's Flyer Lite 3 men's size 9 tennis shoes. Wanted to show you what these shoes look like upon arrival. I like to unbox these and give you an idea. Sometimes when we look online it's difficult to tell what the shoe will look like. So I like to give you guys just a 360 view of the shoe and the detail of the fabric. You can see the logo is here on the front. Logo is here on the tongue. Let's see what the inside looks like. That mesh cloth. Here's some of the detailing. This is more like a rubber texture. And then you go back to the cloth and then rubber here again. Nice little details. PUMA Lite. Here's what the sole looks like. Again, just like to give you an idea what these look like. Thought this is a nice, kind of a neutral color. This is a men's size 9. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. So if this is something that you're interested in, you'll know how to get yourself a pair. Thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful.